Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Google Gemini Live with camera in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to use Google Gemini Live with camera, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your Play Store app, go for search and search for Gemini. Just search for this and here just install this app. If you have installed this app and open the app, and here you just have to select Gemini Live. From here just select the camera option and then allow Gemini to access your camera, and now you can easily use Google Gemini Live with your camera. So after now you just have to just put anything here and now you can easily use or ask something from Gemini Live. So that's how you can easily use Google Gemini Live with camera in Samsung A36 or the A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.